Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Microsoft PowerPoint is not responding, starting, or opening properly on your Windows computer. So this tutorial is being performed on a Windows 11 computer, but will apply for earlier versions of Windows as well, including Windows 10. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, and you want to type in apps and features. Best result should come back of apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side in the apps list field, go ahead and type in Office. Best match should come back on Microsoft Office. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select the Modify button. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. It's going to ask how would you like to repair your Office programs. We're going to select Quick Repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection, and then select the repair button. It's going to say ready to start a quick repair. This shouldn't take very long, but you won't be able to use your Office programs until we're done. Left click on the repair button and give this some time to run, and please be patient. Okay, so it says done repairing. We finished repairing your Office programs and features. You can now close this window and use your programs. Select close. So now if you attempt to open up PowerPoint, hopefully your issue has been resolved. If you're still having an issue, you can come back in here and then select the three-dotted icon again and select modify. Again, if you receive user account control prompt, select yes. This time we're going to select online repair. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you're still having problems after a quick repair. Select the repair button. It's going to say ready to start an online repair. We'll download files to repair your installation. This may take some time and require an internet connection. Select the repair button. Okay, so it says Microsoft, you're all set. Office is installed now. Go ahead and close out of here, and I would suggest restarting your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully now, if you attempt to launch PowerPoint, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.